guys. Ah! Bob, you gonna get back in the house? Get in your house. Come on, get in your house. Let's go. Hi, Quinn. Hi, Quentin. Oh, and here comes Murphy. Oh, yeah, like that's gonna work, Murph. Okay, Bob. Let's go. Let's go. Get in your house, Bob. Go on. Get in your house. Hi, Bob. And Quinn. That wasn't very graceful. Bye-bye. Murphy?